It's a great feeling to take something that you've done as a research project and to see that it's impacted people and improved their lives. And there aren't that many of us that can do that. It's a wonderful thing. To do that though, to actually make that translation happen so that a research project becomes a product, whether it's a drug or a new diagnostic or a device or even a computer program in digital health, that requires expertise that we generally do not have on the faculty side. We're not business people. We don't understand the IP issues. We're not lawyers. We often have never worked on the industry side to understand what's going to be attractive to them or not. Finding funding for those really practical steps, not necessarily hypothesis-driven, but critical for translation, that's not a typical NIH thing to fund. And so it's also difficult to find resources to do that. So one of the great things about the Catalyst program is that you can get both those two things from it. T1 Catalyst builds that team around that idea, that concept that the faculty member brings. It isn't something you can do by yourself. You need help with this. And not just from one person, from a team, and that team is critical. And then the funding piece, T1 Catalyst has small amounts of funding, and we hope the Catalyst program can continue to grow its funding. It's grown a lot recently, and we hope that will continue. But more than that, it's through partnerships that funding makes the most sense. If the partners get what it is you're trying to do and they're excited about it, whether on the industry side or in a foundation, then they're a good partner not just for providing resources, but also for providing an outlet potentially for the products of those next translational steps.